This is Sam with Hocoa, your home repair network, and today I'm bringing you an empty bathroom. We're bringing you one of our contractors, general contractors that does remodeling, and we're going to show you before bathroom. That's a little hard to see, but they do everything from the floor to the roof and everything in between, from the inside and the outside, from the studs in the wall to everything. And I want to introduce you to Sergio and Juventino with TM Remodeling and Construction. These are the two gentlemen with TM. They do this day in and day out. They're full-on general contractors, fully licensed and insured. And Sergio, can you tell us a little bit more? How many years have you guys been in the construction trade?
Well, roughly about 25 years now.
Okay.
And we've been obviously done anything from renovations, remodels, and just
kitchen and bath. They can even build you a house, believe it or not.
That's right.
Right? I mean, from the ground up, they can do it all. So, but you also do some commercial tenant improvements. You work with property management companies as well, right?
Yes, so we've worked with different aspects in the construction world. We do anything from commercial TIs to apartment complexes, remodels, anything to do with exterior wood replacements and decks, waterproofing, exterior painting.
Wow.
So yeah, those are some of the trades that we can do.
And this is some of the finished work that TM Remodeling and Construction has done. But look at what these guys have done. I mean, pay attention to detail. This is TNN. This is right in their wheelhouse. This is what they do. This is almost finished, but a brand new bathroom. And it's going to look amazing. And again, look at the cabinetry. Some really nice cabinets. And great texture on the walls. Brand new. And then look at this floor. This is something else. And what kind of floor is this?
That's just a ceramic tile.
Ceramic tile. But it looks really nice. Wow. Oh, wow. Look at that. That is something else. That's a cool little drain system.
Oh, the linear thing, yeah.
Yeah, so you call that a linear drain?
Linear drain.
Here we have a linear drain with a, looks like a 1 inch by 1 inch tile floor.
This closet here, which is a 2-foot closet, bifold doors.
Okay.
To encompass the kitchen. So
Gotcha.
This wasn't here before. This is all brand new.
So this is all brand new. You just put this in. Wow, that's great.
Panel.
It's fantastic.
Thermostats.
Okay. Thank you for watching this video, and for any of your construction, remodeling, maintenance, or improvement needs, feel free to give Sergio and Juventino a call over at TM Remodeling and Construction. They're your go-to guys. Talk to them about your next project. I'm sure you'll be glad that you did.